Hey, welcome to Glory Falls rehearsal!
Some sort of filter. One common song and one Glory Falls song.
This time I actually don't feel like it's a bad idea.
Okay.
Hey!
So what's up?
I'm here on rehearsal! Warming up. Yeah! Hi, Aya! Hey, po! Our new guy.
I told you, help me!
Just talked about words. He's amazing. That's what's wrong with him. Is he's so cool.
Yeah, you speak life.
Yeah, he's so
Speak
so
life.
I love Rai. He's my favorite
He's
bassist in the
handsome.
room right now.
Woo!
Hi, as you can all
Okay.
see, the brown rice is working wonders for
Is
me.
it? Wow!
Brown rice lang. Yun pa,
Brown rice?
IF pa. Lakas din naman kumain.
Brown rice yan. Kami nga, we're eating quinoa and what's that? Adlay?
Alright, guys, are
But
we ready?
Like 3 cups of...
Yun lang. Hindi kasi ako tayo
Walang ganon. Alam mo,
Sorry.
ito yung itin hindi yung kain baboy. Calorie deficit dapat yun.
Ganun ba?
What song? What song is this?
This is amazing
Ito.
grace.
Okay, guys, let's go.
So we just finished our rehearsals and look at this guys. Line up for food. So after that lunch, we're gonna go back to the studio for our video shoot. Kaya Jeff, anong ginagawa mo?
Try ko talaga ng melody itong ginawa ni Paring Wes.
Okay.
Lagyan natin ng melody. Tingnan natin kung magagawa natin. Let's go! Another watch, another day, another song,
Another
day.
song!
Nabubuyo din ako. Ay, Lola.
Hi, Mother, you're here!
Ito nga pala ang aming
Jem, best friend
Mama Arlene. So siya yung aming Gloriful Mama. Gloriful Mommy and Lola and our mentor, our
number one
parent,
fan.
our number one fan. What can you say?
The secret for Glory Falls' long stay in the industry is their discipline and their desire for excellence because they serve an excellent God.
Yeah.
Diba? Oh, pinaktis ko yun.
Oh, yan na, diba? Hindi yun scripted, ah. Love you, Lola.
Yeah, now it's like, bro.
So, tapos na yung pagkain. Clean as you go.
So guys, support natin. Magpa-vlog na ako si Jones.
Arat na.
Dami na oras eh.
So guys, na-record ko na yung demo.
Wow!
Kay
Grabe
Paring
yun.
Wes.
Paring West.
Westlife.
Westlife. Yeah, abangan!
Man. Westrout! Your song will be out!
Ang ganda naman ni Mamshi.
Yung gana.
Mamshi, ang ganda-ganda mo naman. Ganyan lang kami dito. Chill lang. Yan. So,
Welcome to Jem's vlog.
so, tapos na yung rehearsal namin ngayon. We're preparing for the shoot.
Recording. Yeah.
No, it's video shoot.
Video shoot, yeah.
Ito ang tips ko, no? Yung yung mata mo,
Hmm.
i-ensure mo na tumitingin sa kaliwa at sa kanan.
Ganun, parang ganun.
Tapos, para mag-elongate yung neck, gagawin mo talaga yung gano'n, no? Parang ano.
Parang na forward. Okay.
Oo.
So yan, mga tips yan.
Ah.
Run.
Okay.
Poging-pogi yan. Lalo na pag pumapayat tayo.
Laging kailangan ipaalala.
Siyempre, hindi ka tatantanan ni Jeff.
You guys ready?
2, 3, 4.
We're done with the video shoot, and we're so excited for you to hear this song. This song is very special, and we love it so much. And it was made by our very own Jeff. What can you say, Jeff?
Bagay na bagay kay Jem yung kanta.
Yun lang. Ayun, si Saidi.
I agree. Super.
Pero sobrang ganda ng message ng song, and talagang hindi ko lang ma-share ngayon,
Ano yung
pero
message?
it's ano eh. Stay tuned. Yes. So anong schedule natin?
UCM bukas.
Tapos
Tapos Antipolo next Sunday.
okay.
Tapos
Ano?
ako, School of Worship.
Oo, no? So yan, tapos na yung aming rehearsal. Oh, I sing of His mercy. We're here for a quick coffee run. Init? Kayo ba? Anong ginagawa nyo after yung mag-rehearsal? Kami kasi, banding kami over coffee and over food. Lately, so we went to Tom and Tom's and grabbed our phones to deal with our own business. There you go. Well, good job to these people talking.
Jen is already paid na. Let
I'm-
this be documented.
Okay, I'm documenting it. I'm already paid with my dessert fee.
I paid.
He paid.
And Jeff, more to come, please.
No! Sino pa may utang?
Sa Eileen, parang mayroon doon.
And,
More than 2.
maangan mo, no? Eto na, nagbayad na ako Bayad na ako sa mga utang ko.
Generosity and for your lateness.
No more late.
Thank you for being late.
No more late.
God bless us.
This one is... Yeah, this is Java. And this is
What
mine.
did you get?
Wow.
I remember it now,
So cool.
I'm a follower.
The proud daddy. Can we see the proud daddy?
That was like, how many years ago?
Yeah.
2 years? 2 years ago?
He was 7.
How was it? Lasang?
Buang.
Hindi ka pwede mag-influencer, Brad.
So,
Kasi nasa coffee shop tayo, model ka, fruit shake.
This sour?
Alam ko si prutas.
Jason doesn't like it because it's not sweet eh.
Hindi ka pwede mag-influencer, Brad. Kailangan pupurihin mo muna bago mo laitin.
This.
mine.
Alam mo,
Ano?
ikaw ang the best na dumating sa buhay. 1.8 lang daw yung sapatos si Chester, buy one take one.
So we had our rehearsal.
Music video.
We had our music video. We had a quick coffee run with the team. We had devotion. We are so thankful. We're so grateful for the day. God is good. We're so excited for what's about to come. Hindi ko alam kung paano i-end tong video na to.